Today, we're cutting out Popeye for the Popeye Supplements collaboration. First, I gotta drill my pilot hole. Holy. Next up, I'm throwing in a number 5 modified geometry scroll saw blade from Bearwoods. Make sure you hit them up for any of your scroll saw needs. I was gonna make a couple jokes in this, but the missus told me to cut it out. Alright, that's the only one, I promise. I'll cut you some slack. And here we got a couple satisfying moments. Alright, there's our small detail on the inside. Next we do the button, then the backer. Last satisfying moment of this video. In our next video, we're shaping this little guy up. If you want to see that, make sure you follow, hit like, and drop a comment down below. Let me know if you grew up with Popeye. Until next time, SJ signing out. We're shaping Popeye for the Popeye Supplements collaboration. And this one's getting ship shape. Dialing in the details because Popeye would not settle for less. From rough cut to rough sailor. Let's see what this shapes up to be. I am what I am and I shape what I shape. I'm not Popeye the Sailor Man, but he is. We're getting him ready for a show, so at the moment, he's on a cut. Winding down on this deficit, let's see if we can come out with the win. If you enjoy these builds, make sure to like, comment, and a share is always appreciated. Let's get these builds in front of the right people. Alright, we're almost wrapping this up. In the next video, we are going to prime this, paint this, get this ready. We'll skip the sanding, save you guys the hassle. Follow if you want to see how this turns out, and what's coming next. Today, we're priming Popeye. He's already been sanded to 3 grits, he's in shape, and he's ready to go. This is only the first coat. After this, he'll be sanded all over again, all 14 pieces of him. And then, he'll be primed again. And here he is. Let me know in the comments what you think. Don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment. Follow because next I'm going to show you a new sanding technique that will save you tons of time. Alright, I said in the last reel I would show you a new sanding technique. Save you a ton of time. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Check this. Can you believe that? Like, I mean, all the sanding is done. It's done. Now check this out. I'm gonna put this in this box, and then I'm gonna grab the backer. I'm gonna put the backer in the box. I put the lid on. Pop. And watch this. Watch. I'm gonna shake the box. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Right? Pop. And then check this. Ah, dang, that's all primed already. Look at that. That's crazy. Follow if you want to see what's going to happen next, because I'm going to paint this. It's going to be crazy. Follow. Alright, Popeye. Time to get it together. Today we are assembling Popeye for the Popeye Supplements collaboration. Altogether, this guy consists of 14 pieces. He has shading, highlights, and base tone. A matte finish on the skin, hat, and glossy on the mouth, eyes, and button. Also included with this piece is a traditional blue backer, and for added punch, we added the splatter. For extra contrast, we added the Sapile wood pipe with a teak oil finish, and we have the SJ Woodworks stamp of approval. This is a one-of-one piece. There will never be another like it, so whoever gets this should be a very happy camper. Follow if you want to see what's next.